Hello, welcome to the Little Guest House. Today we do some pulled pork in my barbecue box. Well, see how the box does. It's a little bit stormy outside. We got about 4 pounds of pork neck, and I use my favorite Cajun spices. We leave it as it is. We don't cut any fat. Okay, put it in. Fatty side up. Close the box. Seems I need a new one. I guess this is rusted true. Okay, it has to go for about 4 hours. Temperature 25 degrees underneath the meat. Okay, put it back. Well, it's almost 5 hours, and I took it out and keep it warm for a while. I let it cool down slowly for at least 15 minutes. Okay, pulled pork.